organic potatoes. And today we will be planting it in this huge pot right here. I'm going to first be putting some holes. The tool is to put the holes in our bucket. So let's see if it works on this one. This is a really thick and big one, so let's see. Okay, working. Yeah, first hole. So I added some four bricks to lay my large pot on top. So this is what I do. This is what we do right here. This way it won't be against the ground and hard to drain. All right, so we added our layer of straw right here. And so what I'm going to do actually is I'm going to add the potatoes all along.